All right, now to give us more perspective in terms of what, of course, is playing out in the aftermath of this Pahalgam terror attack, we are joined on this broadcast by Ms. Lisa Curtis, who is the director of the Indo-Pacific Security Program at the Center for New American Security. She's joining us live from Washington, D.C. But before we go across to her, my colleague Idris Lone is getting us all the updates at this moment from Srinagar. So, Idris, let me in fact start off with you. At this moment, there's a manhunt that is currently on to try and nab the terrorists who perpetrated this gruesome terror attack on tourists who were there in Pahalgam. Give us a sense of what's unfolding at this moment in the manhunt to nab these terrorists.
Well, Saleh, three major operations are going on in the Kashmir Valley at the moment. The first one, obviously, at the Baisaran, where this attack took place in Pahalgam. We've seen it's the third consecutive day now. Security forces are carrying out a massive search operation in and around the Baisaran area. We've seen Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, as well as paramilitary forces being pushed in, along with the commandos of the Indian Army and CRPF. We've also seen security forces using high technology like drones, choppers and helicopters also pushed in to keep an aerial view of the dense forest, wherein those militants who carried out this brutal attack vanished into. Now security forces continuously looking for those attackers. On the other hand, we're also seeing Jammu and Kashmir Police arresting around 2,000 people since yesterday. They've all been detained for questioning regarding the attack, whether there are some OGWs who basically help these militants in any of the logistics. The second operation that is taking place is in Udhampur, where security forces had a tip-off about presence of about 3 to 4 militants in the area. There was a brief gun battle also between the security forces and militants, in which one Indian Army soldier was killed. The third operation is going on the second consecutive day in the Kulgam district of South Kashmir, where there was an input with security forces that they'd seen 2 to 3 militants in the area. There was a brief gunfight yesterday at the operation site, but after that there has been a lull in the firing. But security forces are continuing the search operation. So we've seen after the Pahalgam attack, security forces have definitely intensified anti-militant operations across the Union territory.
Absolutely, indeed, Idris Lone. Thank you very much for joining us with all those details there.